once they got opportunity, once they got entry point, it start making money very fast. So that will be the very good for any combination you can put it. Then you have to put next, then accept. Make sure when you are using the board, because this is a paper from the, but make sure when board is there, don't try to remove the funds from your live account. Also, if you are just playing the funds, like you are removing the fund from your exchange or anything, you might be lose your all the money, because boards uses their own strategy to thing. So according to that board, if you are not maintaining, that is a problem for the boards and for losing your money. So also, if you are just playing with you are deleting your APIs, you are making any kind of restrictions or anything. So also your trade is not going to execute because it's from the exchange API. Okay. So now you can see here, you have to accept. Okay, once you started, no manual trading. So we encourage, don't do any kind of manual trading if you are using any our bot. Just leave it. Okay, because you already decided your drawdown and your overall bot profit, and then submit button. Then you will see the bot activated successfully. So now you can see, right? So how you know your bot is activated? Go to your active bot, and you can see here, we selected this bot. Bot name is Alpha V1. API name is Demo1. Binance section, it's a future, it's a medium risk, and symbol is BNB, and you invested $500. So now bot is started already. So now the main part is you can see the what kind of reports here. Once the bot will start trading, it will show you the trade history and everything here. You no need to go to the Binance and do it. You can see here, even you can cross verify the details also from here. So now I showed how to activate your paper trade in Binance future trading. And now you can see here in spot, there is no bot. So now I'm just going to put one spot trading. Same, you can copy any bot. Same Binance, you can select on the Binance spot. You can see here only if you're spot portion, it will show only the spot API. If you're live future portion, it will show only your spot API and future API. Okay. So, okay. Okay. So now you can see here, you have a low, medium, same as it is. So here you have an amount. So now same way, if your money is around, you can say around 20%, you're putting your drawdown. And if you're putting your 20%, your what overall profit, this method is good for overall take profit, because this is really give you the good money to make the profit. Instead of, once this condition will make, boat will stop, then you can restart again your boat. So this is a beauty for that. So the same way you have to connect, accept, and submit, finish. Now your bot is already active, bot activated successfully. Now go to active bot. You can see here the future one bot is here. But you click spot, you can see spot. Future we selected for BNB USDT, and spot it's a Mana USDT. So spot amount is a different and future amount is a different. So now we successfully deployed two bots. Very just like a 1 minute, less than 1 minute, you created your bots. Now you can see here, this is your report, but make sure this is the future. It is showing the future, and spots it will show the spot. So you can see the API changes. You can see it's a Binance spot, and you can see here it's a Binance future. So now I showed you how you can connect your paper API from the board. The best part is here, make sure if you have whatever your number of API, if you have 5 live API, you can create 5 paper trade account. So that is also good. And one paper account, you can also deploy multiple bots also. So that make sure you use for that for your once you understand the okay, your bot is making profit, then after that what you have to do, you have to create your live Binance API. So live Binance API, I'm just going to just yes, please.
Yes,
Hello.
thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Um, just yeah, I would appreciate just as you are doing, so that we are asking. So thank you for that.
It's my pleasure.
When you are connecting your board, I want to get things clearly, one step by step. When you're connecting your board, that section where we choose a trading pair, if I choose BNB, does it mean that the bot will only trade BNB?
Yes. You can choose multiple of the bots. Same API, you can choose Soul, BNB, Mana, anything. But it should not be repeated, because now you can see here we have strategy. Make sure it's alpha AV1. You can see in alpha was version 2. This is a two bots. Okay, but both bot like Mana is here also. I think Mana is not. So
right.
So make sure.
Yeah.
Copy. Don't copy the. There must be strategy must be different. Okay. So coin must be the one API. It will not allow two coins same time. Okay, because it's conflict. One strategy say buy, another will say sell. So it confuses. So that's why make sure one API, put the single multiple bots, no problem.
Okay. All right. No. So it would now let's go to the. So yeah, I know I hear you. If I pick BNB to only trade BNB, if I pick BNB and so, it will trade so and BNB. It will trade until what time? I've set my drawdown. I've set my take profit. Let's say I set a take profit of 5%, and after 1 week, the 5% is reached. What happens to my trades?
Your trade, look, I'll recommend you here, this is drawdown. Drawdown is not about your, this is your overall boat amount. Like suppose you're putting here $1,000 and you're putting 10% of your drawdown. So once your amount will reach $900 and you put here 10%, $1,100. So it doesn't mean our boat might be use $100, $200, something like this only. Okay. So it doesn't mean it's going to utilize all of your money immediately, but it's what the boat will do, because it's a future trade. So future trade, boats require money to protect from the liquidation also. Okay. So once this condition will met, your boat will stop. Okay. Then what you have to do, you can again restart the same boat. No problem.
So when it reaches my drawdown, yeah, get me correct there. When it reaches my drawdown amount, that can be said like stop loss, for example, or my bot take profit. It stops. I have to come and choose another pair again. That's what it means.
Restart. Yes, you can look. This is the for overall, because bot is doing multiple trades. Once bot will find the specific conditions. Okay, they will do many trades. Okay, so this is will impact on whole your bot. Okay, so this is drawdown. Drawdown, if your amount reaches below what you set a drawdown, it will stop. Your bot will stop. Okay, then after that, what you can do next time, you can increase your drawdown. Might be 30% you can make it, because sometimes market go down and market go up also. So sometimes you are putting might be 50% your take profit. So sometimes profit is not reaching. So this, if you can making this condition, your boat will keep on running unless and until it will match this much of money, and then only it will stop. So this is overall, not individual trade.
Yeah, it's overall. Let's assume I've got a $50, for example, $50 bot that can only trade two pairs. Is it two pairs on $50? Let's say two pairs. Yes. It can't trade more than that. It can only trade. So I put Solana and BNB, for example, and it happens that the bot is running, and they both reach a 10% drawdown. Then they take me out. Yes. If I don't realize that I've been taken out, it means I will lose during that period of time, because the bot won't automatically pick other trades. I have to come and choose other pairs as well.
Look, the bot is very simple. It's going to stop, okay, because it's like a one layer of more protection for your money. You are deciding how much drawdown you want to choose and how much overall take profit you are expecting. Might be once you choose, it will maybe 2 months, 3 months. It will be like this only, right? Might be some few days only. So once the board will start, then only you can choose another. Yes, you can delete the board, you can restart the board, you can, the multiple boards at the same time, you can use it, no problem. Okay. And the
Yeah.
best part is
So
here,
what?
best part is we have a Telegram alert also. So if you're facing any kind of, thing, you will get Telegram alert also. Okay. So we also, so,
Yeah, it was what Telegram. Sorry, Telegram
yes,
is not yet working. Then the
no, no.
delete button was not working. I tried to delete mine to reset it.
No, it's
The
a
delete
yes.
button is not
You can
working.
see it. It's a coming soon. Okay, this is a technology. Why? Because we have the board, the trading, Telegram board also, having some, faces something. So that's why I put it's a coming soon. Maybe next week it will be live. Okay, so it will help you out whenever the trade is executing, whenever anything is happening. You don't have to come to the portal and see. It is a separate Telegram board from the company side. So that's the only you
No,
have to
they
start.
that
That
one
will
is
come
here. Here,
later.
it's not yet there. So we'll talk
Yes,
about it when it's there. The
no,
delete button is not functioning yet.
which delete and profile that you can share with the
To delete.
support group. Support group will handle, no problem, brother. Whatever you
So
have
what?
provided.
How much percentage would you recommend for people that are less techno savvy, or to put there
No,
on the drawdown and the board so that they can stay for a? What are the disadvantages of putting a higher percentage and the disadvantages of putting a smaller percentage? What would you say?
look, this is all depends upon what pair you're choosing. Okay, so each pair having different kind of functionality, different thing. So some pairs, I think 10-30% a drawdown and 20% take profit is very good. Either even take profit is 10%. So things are there. Sometimes even your drawdown is going down, but you once you reach this money, you will this condition will meet first, so that you make profit already. So the to both take profit, we will recommend it at the, like say exit early. Okay, don't try to make 100% kind of things. Okay, so this will be recommended. Try to do is let's play with the board, because what the human nature and the board nature both are the same nature. What both do, both have the same psychology. They will start making money, after that they will start losing money, right? So this help you out to get money faster, and so that you can make fast money while doing this combination. Remaining, you have to test yourself which pair you are getting good response, and everything you will see on our dashboard. Okay, so now anything is, brother? So okay, so this is the way
Uh,
you can connect this. Okay. So you're connecting to the bot. Now it's says yes, done. So now your bot is already activated now. Okay. So anything you can use on same time, multiple bots and same APIs. If you can see here, your active bots, kind of, spot in future. So you can see here, I have a one bot in a spot and two bot in a future. But you can see here, we are using, this one, same time, so two pairs is there. One is soul and second one is a BNB. Okay. So same time you can use it, no problem. Multi pairs you can use it, no problem. So now I'm going to show you how you can connect with your live API. Okay, spot is clear, future is clear, right? Demo account is clear. By the way, if you want to delete anything, any API, you must be sure you have to go and board. So just select for active bots. Before deleting, you have to, once you're going to delete, it will not allow it for delete. Bot is active because your bot is already active, so you cannot delete. If you want to delete your API, you first need to pause your bot, delete your bot, okay, and then after that, now your bot is deleted. So then only you can delete your your okay your API. Now I'm
okay.
guiding you how you can delete your API. Sometimes people see I'm trying to delete, just like here. I'm just trying to show you. I'm going to delete my API. but API is not able to delete. Okay, it will say you have a bot using this API. So if bot is using your API, you cannot delete. So make sure you close the board, you stop the board. Then if you want to delete the API, no problem. So this is also make sure. Now I'm just going to stop my future board. Okay, now it's a board is I stopped. You can connect, no problem. That is for that. Okay. So okay, the board is already on. That's why it's not deleting. So make sure status should be the pause. That's why it's giving the thing. Your status must be off. You stop the boat, pause the boat, then only you should refresh. It will come. Okay, now you don't have any boat, future boat. You don't have any future boat. So now you have to once coming to the API. Okay, boat API. Now you can click the future. Okay, now delete it. Now you can see, right? Now, like this, you can
Yeah.
delete and add any API. And there is no limitation about the APIs. The only things are that if you have 5 limits, you can create five real API and five paper API also, both. Okay, same and both. If you can use 10 bots for your live accounts, then you can use the same 10 bots for your paper also, even demo also. So we are not, it's just like a added features we are giving to the users, like, they can test, even we are not consuming their, live APIs or anything. Let's play with the, functionality, let understand, let's delete, let do try again, play with the, everything, like play with the parameters, play any, whatever you want, do all your demo account and paper accounts. Okay. So now the major part is here. You think who is this? Yes. Okay. So now I'm just going to show you how to make your live API connection. So for live API connection, I'm just going to shift in Binance. Okay. So this is the Binance account. Okay. So once you are into the Binance account, you must be there in your dashboard. Okay. So in the dashboard, you can see here in your dashboard, there is many options. And also make sure if you're creating your API, now you have account API management. So you have to go to Binance, you have to go to account API manager. Now we don't have any API right now. It's nothing. Okay. So you can create the API, but make sure before creating your future API. So you must have your future, accounts. Future account must be the way, you follow the thing. Just go to the future. Sometime they will say you have to do like this, like this. So just do their 10 or 20 or 15 questions are there. You just that, then your future account will be active. Then what you have to do, you have to transfer your fund from your normal account to your future account. So this is you make sure you transfer your money from deposit, and this is called deposit and withdrawal, and here you can assets. So you can see here transfer. So make sure if you don't have money in your future account, future balance, so you are not allowed to trade. It will make you the error. So make sure if your money is there in your any account, like funding account, a cross account, or anything. So make sure you transfer. Even you have a fiat any spot. If you have a fiat any spot, then put and transfer to USD and future and put max. Okay, so whatever, because I have already money in my future account, so no problem for me. Okay, so if you want to see you have money in your future account or not, so now you can see we have money in our future account already. So this is a demo account to show you people. So you can see we have already this money in my future account. So what it will do, now the money is on future account, no problem. Now you have to go to your profile and go to your dashboard, account, API management. Now this is, make sure this is very, very important. So create your API. It's asking system generated. Yes, system generated. You can put any name, ODECENT, no problem. You can name anything. Now it's asking to verify your mobile, because this is the account you have to verify. You have to give for any method for switching to another method. Okay, now I'm just going for, because whenever you're going to create your account, okay. So I'm here. So I'm putting my auth, because this is security. Now you can see, right? This is your API key and this is your secret key. Okay. So this is, make sure you have this API key. Don't share this API key to anybody. Okay. And also don't enable any withdrawal or any margin trading. Okay. Always only, you must be sure you have the API key and secret key. And you have to have edit restriction, and always don't unauthorized. Always restrict your API key using the, any specific thing. So now you can see here, unless and until I will not, whitelist my IP address, it will never allow me to, give this checkbox. Now I'm just going to what to do. I'm just going to copy this, API key live right now. Okay, I'm just going to bind this. Okay, okay, live API create. I can put Binance live. I will paste the secret API key. Now I'm just going again to my uh, Binance. I copied from secret key here. Now what I have to do, I have to copy this IP address. So now copy this, click the button, text has been copied. Now I'm just going to show you how, where you have to paste this detail. Now you have to this restricted this IP, click here and then confirm. Just you can see, once I confirm the IP address, then it's allow me to enable future trading. Okay, so you can allow future trading and allow spot trading, but these two, apart from that, don't give any kind of permission. Don't give any kind of withdrawal permission or any kind of permission to appear, because our system is only to allow to make the trade, not even have to get any kind of your fund withdrawal access. So anybody, either our platform or any platform, don't allow enable withdrawal. Okay, otherwise your money will gone. So it's in your control. Binance is giving you the option allow future trade. You can see API can do the future trade trading. You can see spot trade. API can allow for spot trade trading. Okay, so once it's done, your API is there. So I, even for a safer side, you can copy this and keep some safe place where you like. You don't want to mess up again and again. So I'm just saving for you people. Okay, now. Okay, now API key secret key I kept separately. Now I'm just going to again to my I'm saving here. It's asking for, use different, okay, not available. I'm just using here. Now I'm just pasting the mobile application. Now it's sending me the email. You have to go to your email and you will get a verification code in your email. So just if you want to see the email, I can show you the screen also, how it will show the email. Okay, I think this is the screen, right? Can you see the screen? This is your verification code. So Binance will send you the verification code like this. Okay. So copy this code and again go to your Binance. Okay, you can see Binance account, right? Perfect.
Yes.
So okay, perfect. So now you can see the restriction is set already and everything is perfect. I want to see again. Now API key is already created. Restrictions perfect. Restriction is perfect right now. No need to do anything. Okay, it's already permission is allotted. Now you have to go to your It's a very simple, not a very complicated. It's a very simple step. Just already copied and it's there. Now you have to select yes. And I intended to use the API enable to audition, execute my orders, my concern. So it's, you can see API is successfully connected. Got it, right? So very simple step. Once your API is connected, the how you notice that this is your live API or this is your paper API. Only one thing is that if you have a live API, you will see some of your API keys, some initial and last details. For security reason, we are not showing all the details. Okay, so then you can say, okay, this is the FYE, this is my live account, and this is my paper. So now your live account is connected. Now you want to copy in your live account, no problem. So what you can do, you can go to your boards and you want to feature, you want to copy the board, Binance as it is. Okay, it will ask Binance live. You can see right now it's in the showing. I'm going for a medium. I'm putting any amount you can put it. That's it's just like a trade thing. I'm putting 30% drawdown. Okay, if like if my money will come into 105, I'm ready to lose, no problem. And I'm putting 10%. Like if I made $165, no problem. It's a good money for me. That's okay. Okay, because then I'm saying okay, no manual trading and no any kind of activities like you are doing any kind of reviewing the fund. And this is really important to maintain this fund in your Binance account. So does like my bot might be only $5, $10, doesn't matter. No worries. Okay, because bot knows when and what amount of they have to do the trade, and also it will close small point and try to get the book the profit. So and the best part is here. This bot is designed such a way either market will be the long side, either in short side. Okay, anywhere market is moving, bot will try to book the profit from both the side. Okay, so no need to be very panic. Okay, let's both do their work. That's designed such a way, and if it's not any is facing any kind of challenges, it will hedge your position also. So we design very algorithm way so that we try to, even if bot is not making lots of profit, but at least bot should not give the lots of loss also. So that's why we make sure you are not playing with your Binance account, removing the fund, changing your API details or anything. If you're doing any kind of the activities, bot will not get approval from the exchange. So if not getting any kind of approval, it is going to your money. It cannot execute your trade in your Binance account. And just imagine if you're not able to execute your Binance account, the bot when said, okay, buy, sell, buy again or sell again, your trade is not going to execute. The same way, just submit, done. Now bot is activated successfully. Okay, so now you can see the bot is activated. Yes, so you can just go to the active bot and you can see here Binance Live, future, medium risk. I chose for BNB. I invested for $150 and my bot status is on. Also make sure once your bot status will be off, bot is not allowed to pass any kind of trade on your Binance account, because we are not holding any kind of your money. Your money will be lie in your account. We are not asking you to send some, we do like this. You are using this bot. We are allowing you to get maximum amount of profit you can and play with around with the bot. Okay, so I'm done right now. If you have any kind of questions, let me know so that I can answer if you have anything.
Do the running transactions show on my Binance if I go to the feature section there when the bot has picked the pairs and it's now running? I should see them running there, right?
Yes. You will see each and every information in your Binance account, because we are just using your Binance API. The bot is only for you given only for permission to trade, not anything. And that only the details we are trying to show in our platform. But major detail you can see on your Binance account.
All right, we can hear from others as well. I think for now, those are the questions that I had. I think yeah, I'm good for now.
Okay, let me just Doc. Yes, Doc. Let me. Okay. I unmuted. Bobby now.
All right, great. Thank you so much for this wonderful training. I think it's getting clearer and clearer, easier and easier. I know one more time, two more episodes of this kind of training, a lot of our leaders will be able to run with this thing. But I think one of the things that Coach was also trying to raise, which I think is going to play a very important role in your upgrades, I think you must prioritize it, is the issue of that Telegram notification.
Yes.
I think I loved it. I love that part of the Telegram notification, especially when the bot have reached either my take profit or my stop loss. So I think definitely it needs to be prioritized. Once we start, definitely we'll be able to see the true effect of this. I think this bot is going to make a lot of to change a lot of things in our business. So thank you so much for the training. And once again, can you prioritize that notification part of
Yes,
it?
sure.
Because I think it's going to play a very big role.
Team is working very hard to do all these things. So no worries. We are doing our level best to give you the best product. And there is many versions of the boards is going to come. Lots of things, is coming, and you will see the very good. This product will definitely very good, because best part is here we are allowing user to make the money from multiple ways while trading, while arbitrage, while decide their their drawdown, decide their take profit, anything, so that they can make peacefully profit. Okay, anything anybody else? Fortuna? Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, it's Petunia. My question is totally different from what you have been talking about. My question is that I bought a trade package, I think on the 9th of July, right? It has been active, and before the bots went live on Wednesday, I figured that on Tuesday it was locked.
Okay.
So, yes, I spoke to Coach Kunash about it, and then
it's resolved, right? I think it's resolved now.
Yes. So now my question is, the date now is from the 18th of July, right? So I want to find out if
no worries. That will be no worries. Okay. You will get your weekly rewards. There will be no problem. Don't worry. We are monitoring any issues are there. We are giving the priority for monitor that, and definitely we'll make sure, because this is your issues already came to my table, and we already told the team to do the personal monitoring. If anything is there, you definitely will get I'm assuring you 100% you will get your weekly rewards on time. Don't worry. Okay, for anything, leave it, because team is working for lots of back-end process, so that will be also might be the reflect your soon, but I'll make sure that technology will allow you to receive your weekly reward. Anything else?
Okay, so does that mean it will show on the 22nd? Because according to the calculation, you said every second Monday of each month, right?
Monday, yes, every Monday. You will see your weekly rewards. So anything you just anything escalated by your team leader or something, that we give it a very highly priority. So no worries for that. Okay. Anybody else wants to talk? Best trading. You can unmute best trading.
Yeah. I think good afternoon from Nigeria. Witness talking. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
I'm so glad from the training. What I had is so successful and it's great. So I wanted to know, is it that can this board hit stop loss like 2 times, 3 times before anything or any other things happen? Because there are some bots that will hit maybe stop loss 3 times, four times before you realize your money is gone. Can such happen here?
Okay, let me share you the technology, how the technology works. Okay, for here, first of all, back in the stop loss and take profit, it's a different volume. Here it's work on some algorithmic technology. Okay, so what it will do, instead of booking your loss, it will try to hedge your money. Okay, so it will try to protect you. So the algorithm is such a design way, so it will only start any directions market is moving. Boards makes profit if the market is moving either in any upward and downward, or whatever you want to say, in short or long. So the board, how they design such a way, if even it's kind, you are right, stop loss into problem. Instead of stop loss, it's try to encash that opportunity also. Okay. So only it will follow overall your board drawdown and overall your board take profit. Definitely there will be the stop loss take profit, but that will not going to exceed what your drawdown and take profits for that.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Anybody else? I think so. I'm done. Any question?
But the person talking to us, we are not seeing the person. I
Raise.
think we should also see the person that is talking to us.
You can raise the hand. Anybody want to ask the question? Just raise the hand. I'll allow. We will allow unmute them. Okay. I think I'm not getting any kind of hand raise.
They are saying you must see, your face must be seen.
We should be showing your face now. This project is a very nice project. You don't have to hide and do it. It's the best project so far.
We will meet in Dubai, no problem, brother. We have to let us focus on building the technology, because what technology we are working is very hard, and multiple years we put it over here. We found a strategy. It's very hard work. I'm telling you, the strategy normal. It's a bit different than other market. So you'll see the very good. The best part is here. Lots of people say why the bot has not yet started trading. But the things that we design both such a way, if go for that direction, if you find that kind of starting point, then only it will start started book and start booking the profit. So we have protected from multiple way to maximize the profit for that also. Okay. Thank you so much. So anybody, any questions? So I can sign off. Okay. Just a moment. We got one. Okay.
Sorry, I forgot to ask. We have done the training on Binance. Any major differences in terms of Bybit and other exchanges, or do you think you'll be able to do another training with Bybit?
We will do another training. Now the Binance, we started Binance. Bybit will also we will do for that also. But right now because we're trying to start people get used to for Binance. Okay, so might be the coming weeks or something, the Bybit will be also live and slowly process, because every technology we have to enhance our technology for parallelly. So team is working also for that also, and almost it's going to implement that also. So whatever we are promising right now, we have already done only implementation. We are step by step, we are just implementing. So let's Binance, then again Bybit, then again KuCoin, anything, even if you can vote also, you people like this exchange, and our team find that is really legitimate exchange, we can even allow that exchange also. So that is also all about, you have to management, you can recommend that also, no problem. Okay. Anybody else? So thank you so much, guys, for joining the Zoom call, and see you again. Okay. Thank you.